Hello, hope you're doing fine. Today I will show you that how you can connect your Veeqo into make.com and automate the process and use the modules to do the automations in make.com with different tools. So right now, first step you have to do is that once you purchase the app from us, then you have to install the app. Once you install the app, then you can set up the scenario and you can customize it according to what you need, and you can use the integrations that you want to use. It can be watch orders, list orders, create orders, whatever the modules that you are in use. So once you purchase the app, you create a scenario. The first step you have to do is that you have to do the connection. So what you have to do is the connection is that you have to either it looks like this if you already does not have the connection, or and if you have it, it will show you the connection and you can simply add it. Right now I don't have any connection, so I will going to show you that how you can connect it. So click on create connection. So it will ask you two things. One is the API key and the second is the app code that you will get from us once you purchase that app on Make. Okay, so I will show you that where you can get the API key. This is actually the guide link as well, and once you go to that link, it will show you that how to get that API key, and app code is something you will get from us in the email. So first of all, I'm going to get my API key. So if I go and go to that link, I'm just going to copy it and just show you. Okay, so this is the guide to get the API keys. So first of all, you have to do is that you have to ask their team support to enable the API key for your account. So once it is enabled, then you can create you can get it from the existing user, or you can create a new user only for the API key side. So they are recommending to get a new user, but it's fine if you want to use the existing user as well. They just want to track it. So they want to track that what actions were done using that user, so that in case if you need the logs for that. So once they have enabled the API key, then you have to log into your Veeqo, head to settings, click on users, and then either you can create new user, or if you want to use the existing one, you can use the existing one, and then under the actions pencil icon, then you have to scroll down to the API key and refresh the button, and the API key is generated. Let me jump into my account and I will show you that. So this is my account under users. As you can see that this is my account. If I go down, there is an API key section. Right now I have existing API key, and if I refresh it, it will give me the option just in case if I want to change the API key. I am going to change it, so it will be refreshed. So keep in mind that if you refresh that, the existing API key won't work. The previous one that you had it, if you're using somewhere, you have to update it. So make sure that once you do the connection, after that you don't click on refresh API key. If you do that, you have to redo the connection. So I'm going to copy it and I go back to Make. Here is my API key option, so I am going to push it here. So once it's here, I'm going to push the app code. App code is something that looks like looks like this, and you will get it from us once you purchase the app. Okay, so for now I'm the admin. I'm just using my one that is linked with that 1 2 3 4 5. That's it, and click on save. As soon as click on save, it will authenticate the API key plus the code that you have purchased, and if everything goes well, the connection will be closed and you're done. So that's how you can link the Veeqo with your make.com and do the processes. And in this process particularly, what we are doing is that there is a Shopify orders coming, and after the order is purchased, it is synced with the Veeqo, and but they might have upsell after the purchase. So what happening was is that the upsell was not going to Veeqo. So what we are doing is that we are checking the Shopify orders. If there is any upsell, we are comparing the item with the Veeqo, and we will check that which one is missing, which one is was an upsell, and we are updating the line items on the Shopify on the Veeqo, and add the existing one, so that we don't have to create a separate order, and it should link with the existing one. So that's how you can do the automations. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a great day.